Welcome back to the channel. I'm sitting on my Kubota today and I'm about to start on a follow-up video from when I did two videos last year. The two videos I did were doing a blade sharpening with a flat edge on the blades, and the other video was a Zerk Fitting Countdown video, and I missed a Zerk, and so I want to show you guys where that Zerk fitting is. One of the viewers commented, and I really appreciate it. It's number 20, and I will show that to you. One thing I wanted to talk about regarding the blades is I'm still experimenting with this, and I really like what's going on, but part of the experiment is how flat and how thick in this direction can I make that flat blade. And so I'm going to pull off the blades that I currently have today, and I'm going to slap this set on, which has a little wider profile here. And I'm just playing with it, just experimenting. Now, the other thing that happened in the blade video last year is I got a comment from a viewer, and he said, hey, those blades are cutting pretty good for being on upside down. I thought, what the heck is he talking about? Sure as heck, I went back and checked the video, and I installed those blades upside down. I don't think I've ever done that in my life. I was so pissed at myself, I almost deleted the video. So instead, what I did was I gave myself a timeout for 10 minutes with a dunce cap over in the corner. Unbelievable. So, if you guys want to have some fun with it, I decided to leave the video on, and whatever comments come my way, I deserve it. Because I still can't believe. And what makes it extra dumb is not only did I miss it putting the blades on, but when I brought it in to put another set on, brought it in to take the first set off, I missed it then, so I was actually 0 for 2. I am happy to say, though, that the replacement blades went on right side up, because the first thing I did was go out and check the orientation of the blades. So, unbelievable. Anyways, go ahead and have some fun. Whatever comments come my way, good, bad, or indifferent, I deserve it. So today I'm going to jack the front end up, put on a new set of blades. I'm going to point out the other Zerk fitting, and that'll be it. So let's get started. The Zerk fitting that I missed is right up under here on this crossbar, and what it's doing is lubricating the shaft. You can see the grease coming out there from where I pumped it up. That's number 20. So we got one on the spindle, one on the shaft here for the wheel, so that's 2, 4. There's 9 on the deck with a possible 10th. I had a viewer tell me that there's one for the lift mechanism, but I haven't found it yet. So I'm going to go with 9, and 4 is 13. And then this one here is number 14. And then you've got 2 shafts, one for hydraulics, one for the lift, and there's 3 on each, so that's 6 for a total of 20. Okay, I'm going to take you underneath here so you can see I got the blades right. You see they're flipped up. And the reason they do that is to create lift and pull the grass up when you cut it. That's the middle blade. And that's the far left blade, and they all flip up. Amazing. I still can't believe I did that. Really dumb. By the way, that Zerk fitting, if you can see, it's kind of dark in there, I'll point it out. Right at the end of my finger. There, I think you can see that. So that greases the shaft that this whole thing spins on. So that's number 20. Okay, I want to go out and make a cut and show you how nice these flat blades cut. Okay, so I'm going to take you up close here where I just cut. That looks like deer crap. So you can see it. It's cutting pretty good. It's still an experiment. Again, the reason I kind of like it is because the blade, not being sharp like a razor, is less stressed and less apt to crack. Yeah, I'm still good with it. So I'm gonna just keep sharpening a flatter and wider edge and see how that works. But so I'm gonna head back and cut the grass, see how it looks, and I'll get back with you guys and keep you posted on how the blade sharpening is going. But like I said before, pretty excited about it. Seems to be working good. And you guys take care, and we'll see you soon. Thanks for watching.